Dreaming of long, luscious hair? It can feel like a tough goal, but don't worry. It's totally achievable without spending a fortune. Let's break down some simple, expert-approved tips. First up, a healthy scalp is the foundation of healthy hair. Think of it as the soil for your hair to grow from. Washing your hair about twice a week keeps it clean and helps prevent dandruff. Next, let's talk products. With so many options out there, it's easy to get confused. The best bet: use products recommended by a dermatologist that suit your specific hair type. Regular oiling can also work wonders for your hair's health. What you eat matters too. A balanced diet rich in iron, zinc, and vitamin D is amazing for hair growth. But be careful. Too many supplements can sometimes cause hair loss. Finally, give your hair a break. Tying your hair in tight buns or ponytails all the time can cause stress on your scalp and lead to hair loss. Let it down and let it flow. If you've tried everything and still struggle, it's always a good idea to see a professional. They can help identify any underlying issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.